In this video, we are going to cook porridge for my son, prepare some plantains using a pan, clean the microwave using natural products, and also do the dinner or supper with me. Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Jackie. This is Driving Womanhood. If you're new here, you're so much welcomed, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I do not take it for granted. So much welcomed to my channel. Let's thrive together in the kitchen. So I normally use Toto Hafia. That is Winnie's Pure Health for the baby. He has been using it since he was 6 months. Yeah, and it is a good one. I put 2 spoonfuls of the flour into the bowl. 1, 2. You can see it is heaped. And some liquid. Then add some water. Add some water. And stir it well.
I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy tonight. In the morning, I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. Let's let it go. Don't wanna go. I'm turning off
for 10 to 15 minutes and a low heat. So
I just wanna be happy tonight. Happier tonight. Kept me waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning.
now that the porridge is ready, I'm going to serve.
But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
I'm soaking it so that I can clean it immediately. It's because I don't like piling up my utensils. My baby has already taken the porridge. You can see this is the bowl. So what I do, I'm going to clean them immediately so that I'm not going to pile up. This is my soap. It is made at home. I made it here at home.
But then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by.
I'm going to prepare plantains. You're going to clean them first. So my plantains are clean. I'm going to use this knife to peel them and cut them into shapes that I want.
Kept me waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every
I'm going to season them with salt.
we all know that it's a lie.
When you're using your pan to heat oil, is to ensure that the handle is facing away from you. This is to avoid accidents that could happen in the kitchen. I'm going to test whether the oil is ready. So I'll show you how. So I'm going to pick one piece and yes, so this means that my oil is ready. I will fry.
Tonight, I'll be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie.
In this house we always have hot water, so I'm going to take my plantains with hibiscus tea. Let's see.
You will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
For microwave cleaning, we need lemon to extract some lemon juice. This is the one I'm going to use to squeeze lemon. And then we also need some soap and some water.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are. 'Cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my. What you think? What you think?
Use this to wipe on the outside.
What you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story with dreams and reality. say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah,
as you can see, I'm done cooking and my kitchen is so clean and it is full.
That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so happy that you watched. Please subscribe to join the family. Allow me go and take my dinner. For now it's up. Bye bye. See you guys later on.